Hey there! So, let's dive into the problem at hand. You're working on generating a plot and have encountered a little hiccup that needs to be resolved. The issue arises when trying to remove just one specific tick mark label without affecting the mark itself. With all other labels in place, the challenge lies in singling out and hiding that one unphysical label on the far left side. Now, let's talk about the solution to this problem. One effective way to tackle this is by adjusting the break labels manually. By incorporating a formula that differentiates the 15 label and replaces it with a blank, while leaving the rest of the labels untouched, you can achieve the desired outcome. The code snippet provided offers a straightforward approach to address this issue. By using the conditional statement to target the 15 label specifically, you can effectively eliminate it from the plot while preserving the integrity of the other labels. In summary, by applying a targeted adjustment to the break labels, you can successfully suppress the unwanted tick mark label on the far left side of your plot. This tailored solution allows you to maintain the visual accuracy of your plot while addressing the issue at hand. Alright, that's a wrap for today. Remember to hit subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below. Until next time, happy plotting!